Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the thermostat tube shield in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, flathead screwdriver, and a utility knife. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new thermostat tube shield. This thermostat tube shield slides on the thermostat sensor bulb. It protects the sensor from being damaged. The main reason to replace the thermostat tube shield is if it starts deteriorating. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. So there we are. We need to put down this cover box because the thermostat is right there, and that safety cover is on that sensor bulb and it goes inside. It's held in place by one 1/4-inch screw right there. I'm going to use the 1/4-inch nut driver. I'm going to take it out so we can drop down this cover. Dropping down and slightly pull it forward. There's a couple of tabs there at the top that what locks the box at the back. So now we need to take the plug off. There is a tab at the back. You can't see it, neither do I. But I'm going to use the flathead screwdriver. I'm going to place it right there and pry it slightly out so I can pull the plug down. I'm going to show you what I meant by the locking tab. It's right there. So this is the tab I was talking about. Now I need to free this sensor bulb from the 3 clips here. I'm using a flathead screwdriver. I'm going to place it right there behind that, and I'm going to pry it out. Now we're going to take the assembly to the table where we're going to continue the repair. All right, so let's place the assembly on the table, and I'm going to remove this tube, but to do that we need to straighten up the thermostat sensor bulb, and we're going to slide this off. Be careful, support it right there. Take your time. All right. This is the old thermostat tube shield next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. All right, so we got here an old tube and a new one. And as you can see, the new one is a lot longer. So we're going to use the knife and we're going to shorten it. So let's measure the length. And I'm going to make it about 1 inch longer. About that much. And I'm using that knife, I'm going to cut it. And now we're going to slide it on. All right, I'll show you a little trick. We need to put a bit of soap. That's probably too much even. So we can slide on that tube. And now we're going to slide that new tube on. We're going to stop when this tip of the sensor bulb will be exposed right there. All right, now I'm going to take it to the fridge, and we're going to bend the tip of the sensor bulb on the spot. All right, so let's first place this tube into the cutout here, into the groove, push it in, it's going to lock in. And now I'm going to bring it up so we can plug this in. Remember that the locking tab is on the back. So I'm going to turn it and plug it in. Make sure you can hear the click. And now I'm going to install these two cutouts over the two pins here at the back. And slide it in. And now I'm going to secure it with this 1/4-inch screw. And I'm going to use the 1/4-inch nut driver. I'm going to tighten that screw. So now we need to bend this sensor tube and lock it into these 3 clips here. I'm going to start doing that. Press it in. You can hear the click sounds. And we can bend this down like that. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.